Welcome to JH. I first stumbled across Deal Supplement while hunting for affordable wellness options that wouldn't require a second mortgage. They seem to focus on the basics: pure micronized creatine, multi-collagen, and HMB, all supposedly free of fillers and major allergens. They claim everything is third-party lab tested and proudly made in California, because apparently, even your muscle powder needs a tan. It all sounds great on paper, provided you don't look too closely at the fine print. The internet, however, is having a bit of a lover's quarrel over the brand. On one side, Amazon users are singing their praises, citing easy mixing and glowing skin as if they've discovered the fountain of youth in a plastic tub. It's the perfect choice for anyone who believes everything they read on a retail site. On the other hand, the skeptics over on Reddit are raising eyebrows. They've reported that the company gets suspiciously quiet when asked for actual lab names or a certificate of analysis. Nothing inspires confidence quite like a trust me, bro approach to chemical transparency.